Energy efficiency is like a three-legged stool where each leg has a purpose. If you lose one leg, the stool topples over. The three legs of energy efficiency include U-factor, solar heat gain coefficient, and air infiltration. Today we will discuss U-factor. U-factor is, simply put, a window or door's insulation value. More specifically, though, how much the product guards against heat transfer. Heat coming in during the summer and heat going out in the winter. Energy Star zones highlight the need for better U-factors where climate is most severe, and even offers flexibility in requirements in the north where higher solar heat gain coefficient numbers might be helpful. When it's cold outside, you try to keep your body heat in by wearing a coat. This insulative quality is very similar to U-factor. We know that in order to meet the strict criteria of energy efficiency for Energy Star, the entire window's U-factor is tested, unlike some companies who may only give component test results, like Center of Glass. It's important to make this distinction that the window gets tested as a whole with options like grids and screens and is tested at up to 20 different locations on the window, the glass, sashes, frame, and all. Whole unit values are a much more accurate reflection of the energy efficiency performance of a window as a whole. Also, it should be noted that testing can only be performed by an independent third party, which is approved by the National Fenestration Ratings Council, or NFRC. Now that we know about U-factors, let's put it into some practical application. Energy-efficient windows typically fall within the range of 0.20 to 0.30, according to energy.gov. Now keep in mind, however, that the lower the number, the less heat loss you will encounter. Once you get windows within this range, you will have a very well-performing window as far as U-factor is concerned. If you want to have an idea of an example of bad U-factors, think of an old wood window with single-pane glass. These windows, according to the American Society of Heating, Refrigeration, and Air Conditioning Engineers, have U-factors around 0.99. U-factor is an important thing to consider, but as we've mentioned prior, other criteria like solar heat gain coefficient and air infiltration play an equally important role. When you're looking for new windows, be sure to consider all three legs of that stool of energy efficiency. By understanding the value of all three, we know that you can make a more educated decision about which products best meet your needs.